Experience the flexibility and convenience of room temperature storage with Gibco BenchStable Media. Now you can access your media when you need it, where you need it, right in the tissue culture room. Gibco BenchStable Media have been optimized for routine cell culture, maintaining expected growth rates, morphology, and function of many common cell lines. The media bottles are provided in protective packaging to mitigate the risk of light exposure. No more wrapping bottles in foil. When supplemented with 10% FBS, BenchStable Media are a direct replacement of your current basal media. Gibco BenchStable Media can be stored anywhere on your lab bench prior to supplementation or in the refrigerator after supplementation. BenchStable Media contain phenol red and Glutamax supplement, an improved alternative to L-glutamine. BenchStable Media are available in the most commonly used basal media formulations: DMEM, DMEM F12, MEM, and RPMI 1640. Get out of the cold and warm up to room temperature storage with Gibco BenchStable Media.